of cabinets. The first thing I've done is go through all my top cabinets for stuff I don't use anymore or stuff that needs decluttered. I got rid of a bunch of coffee cups. Bowls, tons of bowls, soup bowls. Mixing bowls, all kinds of things. But when I begin to clean my cabinets, the first thing I do is declutter anything in my cabinets that I don't think I need. I do that first before I start cleaning. And the next thing we're going to do is see all those things that you never see when I cook in this kitchen that's above my cabinet. Yeah, all that's coming down. We're going to take all that down. I'm going to try to get rid of half. And then from there, I'm going to put something above there so it's easier to clean. I've got some, it's cabinet liner. I'm going to put that on top. I think it'll make it much, much easier to clean. But that's where we're going to start. Be back. Okay, this guy here, he's going to go. He's a Santa Claus in a snowman house, so I decided I'm going to part with him too. Okay, this item that was above my cabinets, it's kind of sad. I'm going to get rid of it because it's got a major crack in it, and I'm afraid that one of us will get hurt or it'll get worse. And it's kind of sad though, because this was my grandmother's. But I'm going to part with it because I'm afraid somebody will get hurt. And it's not worth somebody getting hurt over. Because, especially since it goes above my cabinet. Okay, these two items I decided they're going to go. And they're not going to go back up. Less to clean, trying to minimize, trying to reduce, trying to get rid of some things. Okay, all the stuff above that was above the cabinets are really greasy, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is get extremely hot water and Dawn dish soap, and I'm going to whoosh them all in that. And the stuff that I can't whoosh, I'm going to wipe off and use Dawn on it to get the grease off. That's why I'm eliminating some of the stuff at the top of the counters, on the top of the cabinets. And we're going to put some shelf liners up there after we whoosh the top of the cabinets. This sign, I've decided to repaint it because I'm getting tired of the red, and I decided to paint, I'm going to paint it turquoise for something new to spruce things up for spring. These 4 items, this Londenberger basket my husband made for me for my birthday one year, this little Yorkie, this dash hound, and this picture, I decided to take that from above the cabinets and move that to my new office me and Thad's going to be creating. So I won't have to buy stuff to decorate my little office, and I won't have so much clutter on the top of my counters. Yeah, less to buy. I'm going to be cleaning these up and getting rid of these 3 items. These will be going away. Okay. Okay, I found some more things. I found these. I'm gonna get rid of those. And I know, you know, what can you do? I jumped to another room. I decided to get rid of this. It's like a little thing that tells the temperature. And I also got rid of some little cups from the living room. Sorry, Penny. I jumped to another room. I just seen them and I just decided to put those in the declutter box too. Okay, here's this shelf liner we're going to use for the top of the cabinets and inside the cabinets. I may have to order some more. I got this on Amazon. It is extremely nice. And I think it'll do better because the liner I got in there now, it curls up and it's just kind of a mess. So we're going to give this kind a try. Here's the top of our cabinets after we decluttered and took about half the items down and repainted our eat sign. Tell us what you think. Okay, I got my husband Thad up there. He's got Dawn dishwashing liquid and some hot water in a bucket. And he's washing off the top of the cabinets. Getting them nice and washed down, and he also washed off the top of the microwave. Because we're starting at the top. Hey, honey.
Why?
Right there, you can see the grease.
Why?
It's not on the cabinet.
I know, I'm just...
It's on the back of the wall.
Where's the dog?
Okay, now Thad's rolling out our shelf liner on top of the cabinets. And he's, you know Thad, he's Speedy Gonzalez. He's already halfway down through there. Is it fitting good?
I guess. You may not know. I gotta make a little cut up for that cord.
Yeah.
Where was it?
Wasn't recording. Okay, Thad's making a little cut because we have a hole in the top of our cabinet where you can put a cord down through for either Christmas lights or our little lamp. This camper's a lamp. Whatever you want to do up there, but he has to snip a little place so he can put the cord down through for our lamp or our Christmas lights.
Crap. I cut it a little more, but...
Then he'll have to do a little work on this over here because it goes around the corner. Hey Thad, this is something new, but I kind of enjoy filming you. And you do, and yeah, this is a different aspect. He's gonna cut that off there because he's got to make the turn.
tricks. I gotta have her help. Put her up there.
Here's the top of our cabinets after we decluttered and took about half the items down and repainted our eat sign. Tell us what you think. What do they say, guys? New day, new de-stash box. I had 2 of these. I put into the stash box. I had a lunchbox thing I put in the stash box and a vase. And I added some other things that, because my last stash box was overflowing. Oh, and I had this goofy container. So this will be my second stash box. Okay, this cabinet, we put our new shelf liner in, washed the cabinet, went through and got rid of the things that we didn't need, and but we have a problem. Sorry, Anna, sorry, Penny, I ran out of shelf liner, so I'm gonna have to stop until I can get more.